Hey, it's Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties here in the Washington, D.C. metro area. And I just wanted to say thank you for investing time in coming to Family Reunion. I hope you got just as much out of it as I did. As many of you know, I worked very hard to actually put together networking events where we can get to meet each other in person at an event like Family Reunion. Why? Because we want to be able to exchange referrals with one another. Here are a couple of examples of people that have actually used the networking event to stimulate business. Let's have a look.
I'm at this event here today with Alex, put on the networking breakfast, which is a great event. You meet agents from all over the world, great connections, real people, real professionals. I met an agent last year from Denver. She called me back last April. I signed a deal right after Christmas this year for a referral of a listing that's going to be listed at over $3 million in Portola Valley, California.
Well, I've got clients who either move into or out of town. So, hopefully some people I've met here today, if they have clients moving into the Detroit area, they'll call me. As well as I've already had people that move out of state, and if I know somebody that I can refer them to confidently, that's a lot better than just searching around on the internet and giving them a random name. So.
If you use the KW app during the event, you'll find that you had the opportunity to meet lots of people just like me. Now, if you didn't get a chance to actually use the app and connect with me, here is the QR code. So make sure you pause the video and get connected with me through the KW app. For those that didn't get a chance to attend the event, feel free to download the KW app, connect with me, or just shoot me an email at coffee@realagentadvice. I'd be happy to connect with you, have a conversation, and more importantly, exchange referrals, because ultimately that's what the referral network is all about. Thanks so much for investing in your time and your future at Keller Williams Family Reunion. I enjoyed meeting you, and if I didn't get to connect, I'd love to connect with you now. And if you know anybody thinking about moving into or out of the DC metro area, Washington, D.C., Maryland, or Virginia, I'm Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, and I'm never too busy for your referrals.